Hello everyone, today we've got here HUAWEI Mate 70 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select home screen and style right here, and now select wallpapers. Choose the one that you want to cover your screen with. You can pick also a gallery to select some from your own photos, but let me pick one from the default options here. For example, this one. So now you can check if you like it or no. If you want to check another one, just go back and pick it. And let me actually choose this green one, then mark apply, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Go back and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.